Good day, everybody. I want to show you a recap of what I got working on Kraken. I think this can be applied to any crypto exchange. I'll talk about the Coinbase fiasco I went through and Kraken. That'll be in my next video. But what I want to show you here to get the strategy working, plus your minimum orders and lot sizes. So first thing first is, depending upon your coin, doesn't really matter, they're all the same. Okay, you just come into configure. This is again on MotiveWave. Today is the 16th of October, 23, 29, 11:30 p.m. my time. So set, go back under configure, go under instruments. This is very important to understand this. This is how you'll be able to execute trades with MotiveWave at a minimal risk. So when you start to see things working, you scale up your position sizing on each coin. But right now, for instance, if I'm going to trade, I don't know, let's say Ethereum. So in here, I look for Ethereum. I go under Edit, and then under here, I'll find Order Preset. Here, you have to really pay attention to the default quantity. Okay, I've put up a resource here on my chat server. Let me just pull that up here. So in here, you can join for free, quantlabs.info, right here. Okay, so if you cycle through the portfolio room, I can just show you another way, is portfolio room, this one. So in here, you'll see the portfolio analysis. So here, what we have is, I've talked about in detail in a video about this. This is Coinbase. You can kind of apply it to Kraken as well. Define your minimum order, including the commission. In this case, commission being 1% for Coinbase. With Kraken, it's 0.32, depending upon your account size. But here you can see for Ethereum, the commission, with the commission, the quantity amount should be set at about 0.005. So when you go back in your MotiveWave, you'll see here you go 0.005 whatever, update, and then go OK, and then you're done. Okay, so I would double check it just to make sure it sticks. So it sticks because it's been updated at 0.0052. Okay. So now, if you're going to do a trade, or in my case, a strategy. Okay, so back to the charts. What we can do here, as I've shown before, we're using a strategy I've custom coded, MACD reversing strategy. Okay, this is the key part right here. So we have the quantity. The default quantity at 0.005, which may be, I don't know, $20, depending upon the market price. It always changes all the time, so you have to stay on top of that default quantity to make sure that your charts from 3 days, 3 months from now will take place. So you have to keep up to date on that quantity amount that I have enabled here on my chat server. Okay, this is free. Anybody can get access to that. Okay, so here, when you apply the strategy, okay, my case MACD reversing. Okay, so under trading options, you'll see here trading lots. So if you only want to trade only the default size, just keep the trade lots at 1. If you want to increase the lot size to 5, let's say it's around $20 default quantity market price, that'd be, let's say, $20. And if you bump the trade lots to 5, you're now going to be able to trade at roughly about 5 times $20 in Ethereum in US dollar to about roughly $100. So you can play around with your trade lots. Now the thing is, I can, in the custom code, be able to adjust the lot size on each position, and you can see that here under the configure under instrument, and again, let me just pull up Ethereum. So in here, there's some extra things you can do with the order preset. See here, you can add an increment, and you can go, I don't know how many levels you can go deeper. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 8 levels. So what this means then is you can add in more quantity on new positions if the coin starts to rally up. So you can scale it up, not just only with the lot size, but when you have the strategy plus within your code, if you have the market conditions, you can add on more positions up to 8 levels deep. Okay, just so you know, and you can also customize for each coin the amount you want to increment by as well, to understand that. As I said, trying to do this in Python, good luck with that. You'll be spinning your wheels for a very long time. Here in a very strong and mature platform like MotiveWave, that's all taken care of for you. You just gotta configure it visually in the platform, and as I said, you can also custom code it in your strategy code as well. So that's a pretty strong feature that I'm not yet using. So once again, if you want to run that strategy, just go run it, and then here under trading options, you can, I believe, yeah, so just go create, activate, off it goes. And it's just a matter of getting used to the style of this, but the key is, as I said in my previous video, in 5 days I've added $1,100, so I've added about a 25% return over the last 5 days. Now, what I just showed you in this default, in the order preset, with the ability to add in additional increments and new positions as the coin starts to rally, you can do that with automation and custom coding. So it's pretty powerful. All right, I just want to show you that. So if you like what you're seeing, you definitely want to get into the quantlabs.info. In there, I've got, as I said, numerous amount of rooms. Let me show you. So if you go into the rooms, we've got a newsroom. Okay, this is the latest news. There's some mentions of coins that are moving up. That's from various sources. If you go into the analytic signals is available for my members. This one's the free samples of actual orders. You can see here from tonight, we've got Cardano, ADA, some Ethereum on Kraken, and it's working pretty good. So if you want to get some sampling of what's working, join this and you get some overview of how things are working. I really don't think I get this kind of flexibility as if I was staying on Telegram. So the more people that join this, the better. But it's pretty powerful what you're seeing, and all I gotta do is, hopefully with the momentum on my side now, is just increase the lot sizes, and I don't think I'll be able to do it in this next cycle of profit, but to enhance it even further is to add in those sub positions when the market moves up, that you can add in more positions. I'm sure there's some strategies out there, out of box from MotiveWave, that enable you to do that. So we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and we shall see you later. Oh, and one last thing, if you want to get in on the conversation or get on my email list, make sure you get on to the contact or the newsletter, quantlabs.net/contact. You can put in your info here, plus your email, phone. This stuff does not get released to anybody, okay? So there's that. plus the chat server. More importantly, I just want to highlight something here. A lot of people have been asking for this, and they wanted the verification. Okay, they want third-party verification near real time, so it's earlier today. So we provide that now, and you can see you can see it. You can also see this boost is going up in value with that kind of performance, hopefully. So I've said this before, as this moves up and it starts to work, it's verified, you can expect what I offer here will move up in price. So if you go over to my quantlabs.net shop, okay, we've got a couple of things. We have current, if you want access to this, what I just showed you, and you want it on a 12-month basis or an annual basis, what you can do is, like I said, quantlabs.net/shop, look for the light bulbs. This is the one I'm talking about. I'm sorry, this one right here. Quant Analytics subscription, subscribe. That's for a year at $9.97. And that's for 12 months. Probably in the next week, this will be shaved down, the annual, and that will be shaved down to 3 months. So essentially right there, once that takes place, that means quite literally the price will have increased by 4 times. 4 times, 3 times. Okay, because I've shortened the same price, but shortened the term. Now also in there, I can give you the annual boot camp, which is all the webinars since this year, probably pushing 40 videos. Plus, if you miss one of my webinars, you can go into that and look at the video playback. So I do charge for that separately. It's about $800-900 a year. So you get that. Plus, if you've not seen my latest course outline that I posted on the blog, I'll show you that. This right here is also introductory into crypto. It's going to be a 4-week course, and it's going to be intakes every month. But what you're really getting is community plus the live components, or the live version of it, and engagement versus just doing it off of a $30 course on Udemy or something. So let me show you that. So if you look for okay, so we have right here, what you're looking for is this post right here. Here is a cryptocurrency trading live course. This goes through everything. I think things are going to get more advanced in my elite, but you don't have to be really technical. I mean, you want to use a really powerful trading platform because all the heavy lifting is in MotiveWave. You don't have to worry about the Python because, like I said, that's posted in the private chat, as shown here. Here for both Coinbase and Kraken, plus with the ranking, plus the order entry potential using the order book. So there's a lot of information here. I'll help you guide you through it over 4 weeks. The longer you sit on the sidelines, the less money you'll make. And what can I say, with the way things are going in the world, with people losing jobs, people losing probably their careers if they're not doing taking their medicine, if you know what I mean. So I think more and more people will need to find ways to earn money. And like I said, I mean, I've done okay, man. $1,100 in 5 days, I'll take it. And who knows where I'll go in a week, 2 weeks. And as I said, I'll be adding more to this, each position, to get it more aggressive. That's how I was able to go from $200 to 8,000 in 2 years. But that was not really aggressive at all. But I just wanted to tell you that. And Let me know what you think. We shall talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.